Hello, and welcome back to our Time Sticking YouTube channel. My name is Jake, as always, and today we're going to be talking about a Prime Minister level wristwatch. So, stick with us through this intro, and we'll be saying "Oh Canada" with you. That's right, in October of 2019, Justin Trudeau got re-elected as Prime Minister in Canada. Being a bit of a legacy candidate, his place as Prime Minister mirrors his father Pierre's own career as PM back in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. Trudeau can now boast his own decade-breaking career here in 2020, having been first elected back in 2015, so the 10s, 20s, and perhaps more to come. Now before we go stumbling over Canadian politics, our main focus today is Monsieur Trudeau's wristwatch. Where Trudeau won recent re-election by a slim margin, he sports a similarly slim timepiece. Staying fashionable among other modern politicians, he wears a Swiss-built watch. However, instead of popping on a Rolex like most, he takes to the more pared-down flair of an IWC Portuguese Regulator watch. Now, IWC is a pretty long-running watch brand. They've been around since 1868. However, world leaders don't always wear them. Rolex typically stands out with its quote-unquote presidential day-date style, while IWC tends to be seen as more of a sportier, everyman watch. Perhaps this is why Trudeau is sticking with this style. It's easier to appeal to everyday folks when you're not wearing actual gold all over your wrist. That being said, IWC watches are still pretty luxurious timepieces, worthy of any top dog. Trudeau has been pictured at rallies and with world leaders alike in his preferred watch. At a glance, it seems like a pretty basic wrist accessory. Upon closer inspection though, his minimalistic leather and stainless steel piece really shines in its regulator design, or as the Swiss naming goes, Regulator design. Instead of rocking the 1 through 12 Arabic numerals and traditional hour and minute hands, it actually tells the time with 3 separate dials and hands. At 12 o'clock there's a 12-hour subdial that just reads the hour. Below this, its 6 o'clock position, is a subdial for the seconds. The greater dial of the watch, which encompasses the other 2 dials, is marked for minutes. It's a style that's borrowed from the world of clocks that allows the seconds to remain accurate when setting the hours and minutes. Since Trudeau is someone who ought to be on time, this aspect of his timepiece is appropriate to punctuality. And if he gets bored at any point during his tenure, Trudeau can look at the pocket watch-esque movement via a caseback crystal to pass the time. In fact, if you were to watch it wind all the way down, it would take a whole 46 hours when fully wound. Trudeau's model LW54401 Portuguese Regulator from IWC, say that 5 times fast, is actually far from basic, although it has that everyman look. Indeed, its price tag is still up in the thousands of dollars. This aspect of his timepiece is not necessarily excessive or unruly, however. IWC has over 150 years of engineering built into their pieces. Each watch contains fine mechanical movements that continue to meet and exceed global timing standards. IWC watches are endorsed by politicians, celebrities, and everyday folks alike due to their durable, traditional designs and their high-quality precision engineering. If you're thinking about sporting one of these Regulators, it will likely set you back around $5,000, with the platinum versions costing over $20,000. Some IWC watches will set you back far less, but their Portuguese series is one of their notable, long-running styles that gets plenty of attention for good reason. Speaking on attention, surely any wristwatch that Justin Trudeau wears will be under a magnifying glass as he navigates Canadian policy on behalf of Canada's people. Far from any controversy, his IWC shows an understanding of how luxury can come across in far less excessive ways. Our hats are certainly off to Justin Trudeau's watch choice. Do you have a favorite IWC? Do you own one? Do you know somebody who owns one? Or would you like us to cover another world leader in terms of wristwatches? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear feedback from you. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Time Sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.